Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 75. Well, almost in the middle of the summer, end of June. Pretty important close today. We have monthly, we have weekly, even bigger close. I think it's pretty important to see how the monthly, at least the monthly and weekly will close. Now, we'll keep the same format at the maximum 1 hour live stream. So let's start with Bitcoin on monthly chart. If you have requests, please type them in the chat. Good something, Stefan. Yeah, exactly. Good something, Cos. Good something, Michael. Well, on monthly, you can see we have a support here at 61. And we are ranging at that level. I still consider this one a range. Indicators, well, on monthly, not too many things we can say. They are just respecting the price action. So on monthly, I could see range, and I could see even pushing higher. If this level will be respected, okay, we can go higher. If we'll accept below, then next support, it's here at 42. We don't have anything else until here. But keep in mind, we are talking about monthly chart. Yeah. So monthly doesn't look ugly, doesn't look the best. I still think it's possible to consolidate and push higher. Okay. If everything is nice and clean on YouTube, Stefan, please type in the chat and tell me that everything is nice so we can keep going forward. Weekly chart. So on weekly chart, I hided all the ink, everything, all the, yeah, you can see here, hided everything, all drawings. On weekly chart, is looking different. You can see the McDonald's. That's not really nice for us. Closing the weekly chart like this, or a bit lower, not the best scenario. You know, you can call it McDonald's, you can call it Yem smiling at you if you are looking at Brian Beamish. Yeah, we learn from Brian that when the market is smiling at you, wants to take your money. So let's see the close. Let's see if we'll accept below the neckline. I said multiple times, 60K seems like a really important level. If we'll accept below, then at least on weekly we have a small support here at 52. And then if that one will not hold, we have 42. Now, we are trying to reject here at the end of the week. You can see it. But let's see the close. And let's see how next week will start. The news, they are not the best ones. War everywhere. Not even crypto news, they are not the best in the last couple of weeks. A lot of Ethereum, a lot of Bitcoin from the ledgers to the platforms. That's again not a good thing, but that doesn't mean we are not in a bull market. We are in a bull market from a long time ago. And if I put all the drawings back, well, here we bought, here we managed to sell some, we pushed higher. 2024 is still buy the dip year. Nothing bad with that. Even if we retrace here at 52, maybe lower, that doesn't mean we'll have a bear market. That doesn't mean the bull market is over. Just a healthy correction. Yeah, you can see the uptrend. Well, we can even go below and tag this one and kiss it. Above or below, doesn't matter. It's still an uptrend for me. I still think we can push a lot higher on Bitcoin. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not specifically focusing on Bitcoin to buy. Yeah, the risk reward is not there anymore for me. Maybe I'll buy, if we go back to 42, okay, I'll buy something back. My focus is how low altcoins could go. And then I could make some nice profit in the top. Let's see indicators. Well, we can see a head and shoulder here on RSI. Yeah, bearish divergence. If you put the line chart, you'll see bearish divergence even at the top. Head and shoulder pattern on OBV, and depending how this candle will close, if it will close below the neckline, that's confirming that head and shoulder pattern. That's not bullish for the short term, that's for sure. So McDonald's, let's wait how low we can go. If we'll hold 57, I don't know, on a daily I think I have the range here. Yeah, so for the moment on daily chart we are still holding this level, thinking range we should have a bounce. So I'm not expecting straight down to 52. I don't even know if the market will push that way, that low. We can see a nice and clean W here and push higher. And then we'll have to think about range again here in the short reload zone. We'll hold, we'll reject, we'll accept above. Now, that's trading and investing. We are here to adapt after the market is moving. Yeah? We are not telling the market, okay, go up or down. We are just adapting, making some money. We are small fish in this market. So we are, I don't know, trying to make money with the smart guys. If you are treating this market like a business, okay, it's possible you can make some money. But everyone knows that 80-90% from the public is losing money in any market. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin or doesn't matter the market. It's not about the market. It's about their mentality. Okay. For the moment, at the bottom of the range on daily, we are trying to make a W. I don't see any strength here. It's trying to do something, but I didn't saw bullish divergence on daily. For this live stream, I don't think it's the case to go on lower time frames. Yeah, it's not a triangle breakout. It's not straight to the moon. The market is not behaving like that. Influencer will tell you, okay, we'll go to 80, we'll go to 100. And that's the best moment to exit the market. Now, a lot of them, they are bearish here. I'm not seeing the bearishness I want to see for me to think, okay, we'll probably reject and we'll go higher. I'm still waiting on the sidelines to see what will happen. We have a long, we have a short from the top. We are positioned in the best way possible, but nothing we can do. We cannot force a trade. Let's change the template. Well, you can see here, yeah, we are on daily. We short the top. We long the 78.6. We are in profit on this one. We are in profit on this one. I don't think someone could position themselves better than that. But we'll accept. We'll form a W here, breakout, retest. Maybe. I'm long from down below, so I don't care about that. If I'll see the W confirming, probably I'll move my stop at the week low. Probably. For the moment, just waiting. Okay, let's go on. I think weekly chart is the best, and let's see the total too. So on total, you can see the same. Yeah, McDonald's, it's strong. Same pattern on the indicators. Nothing special. We have a support here at 1.6. I don't know if that one will hold the full drop, but probably will stop at that level. And the next one it's at 1.2. Total 2, it's even uglier. Why? Because we rejected exactly from 61.8. Things could change and total 2 could recover a little bit. It's middle of the summer, usually July, August, it's about altcoins. Maybe something will change, but for the moment, same pattern, same YAM and total 2. And where we'll stop, similar, 61.8 here and lower if will be the case. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, let me hide the ink. It's a bit stronger now. We don't have the same pattern. Let's be real. We don't have the same McDonald's pattern. I could see a bit of strength here. Okay, it's retesting this candle. This big candle needed a retest, and it's okay that we retest that candle now, and after that we can push higher if will be the case. We have news, ETF, maybe today, maybe next week. You know how they are manipulating the market. But looking at the chart, I don't see the same M pattern. It's just not there. It's not similar. I don't see bearish divergence on weekly. I see only respecting the price action. Could Ethereum do something nice in July, August? Yeah, I think so. They are trying to push it lower. You saw the news Friday. They are trying that, but who knows? Well, you are welcome, Forrest. Yeah, and like Miku says, press the like button, but only if you like this content. If you don't like it, press dislike, please. And if you press dislike this time, next third time, don't watch the video. Well, we don't have a big public. We are a small community, but we are a small and strong community. Clean one, without ugly behavior, without ugly characters, not even scammers, nothing they can do in our community. Nobody is enjoying them or clicking their links. And I prefer to grow slow and steady. Yeah, that's we want to help people. We want to make the best thing, but with the people who are willing to put the time and effort to learn, because you cannot force someone to learn. It's impossible. So Ethereum a bit different. Let's put the ink back. What do we have here on weekly? Well, you can see we touched 61.8 when we bounced from that level. I don't see a W yet, not yet. But if I'll put the daily, we can form a W here. Let's see indicators on daily. Well, I don't see bullish divergence here, that's for sure. So pumping from 61.8 doesn't give me too much confidence here. Yeah, it's a bit stronger, but that doesn't make it really strong. I need a clear setup, so I'll prefer another dump, a nice W here with some bullish divergence. And then okay, touching 3000, 3200, making a daily W, okay, we can think about long. On daily, that could happen in 1 or 2 weeks, we can form a W here. Okay, so that's Ethereum on daily. I think no point to go on Bitcoin dominance higher than, I don't know, weekly chart. Let's see weekly. On weekly chart, if I'll zoom out, you can see support and resistance. This is the overview on weekly. We have a support and resistance at 60, one at 57. We have another one at 50. That's a big fat round number. Pump chaser zone here from the overall area. If you'll put the pump chaser zone, it's exactly here. We can go there. Yeah, it's possible. But if you zoom in a little bit, we formed a range here. From April, we are trying to decide if we want higher or we want back down. Yeah? Indicators, well, you can see RSI. OBV is just following the price action, but RSI is trying to tell us something. Yeah? If I'll go on weekly chart, on daily chart, sorry, well, I could see the same range. I could see the same range. We had a bigger range. We pushed higher in the resistance level. We rejected from that level and we formed a new range. Let's see what will happen. We have an ugly head and shoulder here. Now we can do a retest of the neckline and then we can break down. That will be the best scenario for altcoin season, even for a selective one, a small one. If we'll form a W and we'll push higher and we'll accept above 57, well, that's not a good scenario. It's good for the long run, it's good for investors because they could buy a lot lower, but not for short term. Yeah. Ethereum versus Bitcoin on weekly. And I think this is the last one, and then we can, let's hide the ink. Well, let's see what we have. Well, all over the place. I still don't see that weekly W. Yeah? Everyone is saying, well, Ethereum will outperform. Okay, it's possible. Okay, but give me that weekly W. Well, it's not there yet. Yeah? And if you look left, the support, actually, it's a lot lower. We just did a dead cat bounce, a strong one indeed. A Wyckoff check here from this level, from 0046. Wyckoff check of this level, but we have to ask ourselves, it's good enough? That's it. We'll do an AB equals CD, or we need to see lower levels. If we put the long reload zone, you can see it's a bit lower. 78.6 is a lot lower. I still don't see a weekly W. Okay, we can go on lower time frame. We can stay on a daily chart and we can see an AB equals CD maybe. Yeah? People who watch the videos know that we have the AB equals CD, 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows, 25%. Brian's bot, it's playing around already. Will succeed? I don't know. I'm not betting on this bot. Is there who's trading Ethereum versus Bitcoin could take that one, but I usually don't trade on daily. I prefer smaller window of risk. I want 4-hour chart for swings, and I want day trading in something else. So it's possible, but in the same time, it's slowing down, and we can see ugly things. I don't have an advantage here, and you can see we have a short reload zone. We can form a double top in the same time. So it's 50-50. We'll push higher or lower. Let's wait. Let's see what market will decide, and then we can adapt and make some money. That's why we are here now. Not to predict the market, but to make some money from the market. Okay, that's the overview. Now, we'll do a 10 coins review as every time from Road to Financial Freedom. And we have some nice feels looking at the coins we will review today. If you have a request, please type in the chat. At the end of the video, I will do the draw for the giveaway. Yeah, so someone will win a 1-month premium membership. If you want to participate for the next week, go on Twitter, see the pinned tweet. I pinned it already, retweet that one. It's simple as that. I want to see some engagement. It's not about the prize. It's not about. I want to see people engaging and trying to participate in the community. Okay, so Road to Financial Freedom. Nice picture here, but let's see the plan. Well, we are still in this environment, and I didn't modify the plan. I should add here 2024, but I am speaking every week so people will understand. We are still in that part of the plan. It's not too late to join this plan and put all the orders. You'll get, maybe sometimes you'll get even better prices. You will not have all the results we had in 1.5 years, the doubles we have, but it's still profitable in my view to take all the levels and put all the orders and set some sell half on a double. You still can make some money. And nice money even. If you want something specifically for our community, only for premium members, okay, we have the last chance challenge. It's a new one. It's about new coins. It's a different plan, and you can see here we allocated $3,000. That was my minimum, yeah? And we can double. We can, if you want to use more, you can use multipliers. Yeah? You don't have to stay on $3,000. Some people will say, well, $3,000 is a coffee for me. It's a pizza. Okay, you can use 30,000, 300,000. It's up to you. But the point is that we already have invested 41%. And a lot of coins, they are below the levels we bought. So if you want to join this one, yeah, I think this one is the best one from our community for the investment, for the best challenge possible. But it's on premium, is not for free. If you want, you should participate, you should join premium and use this one. And don't try to trick us with, I don't know, I'll pay for a month and I'll take the document. Doesn't work that way. You want to be a premium member, you'll learn a lot from us and you'll use this one and everything we have. Yeah, we want to see a win-win situation here. Okay, let's go back on what we are talking about today. So, Road to Financial Freedom, still in the same part. Yeah, accumulating 2024, still by the dip. Luckily, we are still seeing the market going back down in the long reload zone, getting us some fills, and we can get some doubles. I'll repeat, as every week, we'll know when this part of the plan will stop. We'll go to the next one, when the market will not come back down to take our orders. It's that simple. I don't have to think too much about this one. Well, when the market is not coming back in the long reload zone, then we'll know that, well, we are in the next stage. It's that simple. Okay, let's see the coins we will talk about today. And we'll start, we are at 91. We'll start with Flux. As you can see here, we have a field, we have the chart here. If you are interested, join the Discord and you can click the chart and you can see everything. You can even copy this one. Yeah? Just make a copy, make your own plan. You have against dollar, the spreadsheet, against Bitcoin if you want. It's about time to start. If you are playing against Bitcoin, it's about the time to fucking start that plan. And we even have dollar cost averaging. Yeah? You can see dollar cost averaging here. So it's a complete spreadsheet. Thank you, Miko, Mercurio, and the other guys once again. Let's start talking about Flux. Well, on the chart, you can see, yeah, we bought here, we had sell half on a double here, nice and clean. I love it. Yeah, we pushed higher, and when we did the last overview, we said we'll reload here. Well, now I have to adapt, and I had to modify this one. And okay, we bought 0.5 already. Not buy, we bought. Come on, go with green. Okay, now we should put the shot in the market. No, so we bought here. We have to wait for the shot. Something else to do? No. Just put your order, sell half on a double in the market and wait. If I'll see a W, weekly W, until I'll review next time, or when I'll review next time, I'll see a weekly W, okay, I could buy more. For the moment, let's be happy that we got a fill. We have some support here. If this one will bounce from 60 cents to 1.2, 1.3, not a big deal. We'll sell half on a double again. We'll make more free coins and we can reload again. Nice and clean. I love it. I love to see charts like this. Now, let's take a look at the next one. Well, RSR is the next one. It's an old shit coin already. Yeah, a lot of people, influencer, played around with this one. The last cycle, they pushed it really high. Okay, it's a nice one. I think we'll bounce again. We'll make some money. We bought here. We sold half on a double here. Nice and clean. You can see it. Well, didn't stop there. Pushed a lot higher. But in our plan says that we'll not sell the second double. Only one, and we'll keep the free coins because we want to sell them higher. We have money to reload, so why I should sell my free coins? No. Keep them until the top. So you can see short here, reloading a bit lower. We can get that fill here there at 4 cents, 0.4 cents. Yeah, definitely. I could see a wake-up check there and I could see the market going there. Something to update, something to do on this chart? No. Patience, hands under your ass and wait. That's simple. It's simple, it's hard to do. A lot of people, they are not following investment plans because you have to sit on the sidelines and have a lot of patience. Yeah, sorry, nothing we can do about that. We don't have any patience to sell. Either you have it or you don't have it. Okay, that's RSR. Let's see the next one. Well, this is a nice one. If I remember correctly, this one was a favorite coin of Zach. And I saw Zach posting or mentioning a couple of weeks ago. So it's still in his focus. Well, if you remember, we talked about this coin and this range. Well, nice and clean range. When we'll do a breakout, we'll make a double. That happened already. No? So we got, if I remember correctly, we bought some. Let's see. Well, no, we didn't have a fill here. No. Now we have a fill on the second one, but this one is still unfilled. Keep it in the market. Even Zach and I and some people said that they are hunting a bit an SFU there. So it's possible the lows are too close one to each other. It's a lot of liquidity at the same level. So the market could push there, take the liquidity and then bounce. So keep that order in the market, or if you don't have it anymore, put it back. It's a nice coin. On other plans, I have a lot of peer. I intend to buy even more. It's a nice one. On this one, we missed it and we have a fill here. What we can do now? Well, be damn sure you have the other order and be damn sure you'll have sell half on a double in the market. It's that simple. Let's just modify this one and put we bought 0.5 already. Well, we finally have a position on this one. Yeah. If you remember when we are here in the top, a lot of people say, well, Paul, you fuck it up. You are too greedy. You wanted too low. You didn't manage to get any position. You are just a stupid trader and you are trying to play smart. Well, seems like I'm still stupid, still a stupid trader, but I got lucky. Let's just call it that way. I got lucky and I got a fill on peer and other coins. Yeah? I was lucky last year, if you remember. Yeah? I was lucky in January. I was lucky now. Seems like I'm quite lucky. And I understood from a long time ago, if I'm fucking respecting my plan, I'm lucky every time. Almost every time. But overall, I'm still a stupid trader and I prefer to stay that way. I don't know what will happen with this market, but I'm making money and it's enough for me. Okay, that's peer. Let's take a look at the next one. Rose. Well, let's see Rose. Rose, where are you? Well, okay, let's zoom in a little bit. If you zoom out, we see the potential. If you zoom in, we'll see some levels. So, on Rose, you can see here. Rose, no fill on the first overview. Cheap ass Paul, stupid trader, wanted to buy the lows and said, no, thank you. We had the W here. I missed it. I missed the W. I was paying attention to something else. We never got a retest. And I just waited on the sidelines. I didn't chase. I'm not chasing. I'll buy 78.6 here. Something to do here? Yeah, I should be damn sure I have this order in the market and the other order a lot lower. If you can put it on Binance. If you cannot, just set an alarm. Maybe you'll get lucky. So, waiting to buy here at 78.6. I think it's a good solution. I could see an AB equals CD pointing out at the lows. Yeah, you can see AB, CD. Will take some time, but I could see testing the lows. That's why I'm saying to watch out, keep the order in the market. Yeah, let's play it simple. Let's respect the plan. Don't overthink. Don't try to outsmart. We are here to make money, as simple and clear as possible. Okay, that's Rose. Let's take a look at the next one. STG. Well, STG, it's all over the place, at least on Binance. But you can see we have an order here. We missed that one. Why? Paul was a cheap ass. Let's see if we miss this one. Yeah. Market up. Paul didn't bought it. We had a clear 88.6 here. I still didn't bought anything. I draw the long reload zone and I put the buy here at 61.8. Well, now looks a bit ugly that field there, but I'm not worrying about it. This entire part here, what you see here, it's a big consolidation in my view. It's just consolidating here. When will it explode? Well, you'll see the results. So buying here now looks a bit ugly, but it's okay. We have an order a lot lower from the first one, and it's close to the market price. We should be damn sure that we'll get a fill there. Nothing to do here. Just modify this one. We are not waiting to buy. We bought already. Okay. Put sell half on a double at 1.2 and wait. Maybe we get even luckier and we'll get a fill here. Maybe. Well, that's the overview on STG. Still nice. We have a fill. That's good. We are close to get another one. Even better. We can do an average or we can put the orders separately. It's up to you. I think we keep it separately is better. Okay. Let's take a look at the next one. So after this one, we have SIN. Okay. So on SIN, we bought we sold half on a double. That's nice, really nice. You can see we bought exactly the weekly W. I love that. Okay, we sold half on a double. Our plan says don't sell another double. Anyway, we have missed this one. We reloaded at 78.6, good level, I like it. Let's put this one, okay. So now we should put the sell half on a double at 1.2, something like this, in this area, and the short reload zone, retesting of this big yam. Anything else I could do? No, I could do something, I could buy more, but no. Let's wait for the next weekly double. This one is looking a bit uglier. I don't know how low this one could go. We have exposure, we have free coins, we are in a strong position. Let's wait. Let's play from a strong position and wait. Maybe we can get some fills a lot lower. So nice to see that we have a shot, we have free coins, and we bought back. We reloaded already. Best position possible. Yeah, took a long fucking period of time. You can see we bought this level. Yeah, we bought from August 23. We have 1 fucking year, and after 1 year we have free coins and we reload it again. That's investment, slow and steady. I love to see that. Yeah, Sebastian, I'll take a look. Just wait a little bit to finish the review and we'll find time. Okay, seeing nothing we can do, let's take a look at the next one. Okay, nice and clean. If you'll zoom out, you'll see the potential, okay? You know what I'll say. You'll see the potential on this one. Woo, look at this one. It's 20 cents. And was at some point in time, someone paid $50. Well, if you paid $50 and it's, well, I don't know. Sometime in this lifetime, this one will touch that level again. Well, you have more than 100x there. But it's not our problem now. Our problem now is to accumulate. So we bought this level, we sold half on a double, nice and clean, I like it. And we reloaded at 78.6. Now, we said we'll reload at this retest of the W, 78.6, nice and clean, nice confluence. Let's adapt that. Let's put we bought here. Well, a lot of patience. What we can do now? Well, what I'll do now, I'll just put my order at the sell half on a double. And I'll wait for the next weekly W. Could come here at the same level. I don't have a problem with that. But at the same time, I have to give myself opportunity to buy lower. So, if this one will touch 10 cents or 5 cents and will form a small weekly W there, well, that will be even better. Okay, so on this one we bought. Be damn sure you put your shot in the market. I will update the charts with the shots after the live stream. And nothing we can do here. We can buy more, but I think it's better to wait. Okay, next one. We still have 2 more and that's it. Arbitrum. Let's see. A lot of people talking about Arbitrum. I said let's be fucking patient and wait for some fills. So, what do we have here? Paul, cheap ass, said that I want to buy the low. And I didn't buy the low because the market never touched that level. Well, market decided, okay, Paul, I'll go up. 1 second. I'll go up without you. We even give us an opportunity here. 1, 2, 3 weeks. And I was blind. I wasn't looking at this chart. I had the opportunity to buy this weekly W. So, if you want to learn something, learn to review your coins and watch them. Weekly W, breakout, retest, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. We touched the same level. And then we decided to go up. I had all the time from the world to buy this one. I didn't do it. Why? I don't know. I think I didn't do it or I do it. Let's see. Let's see if it's the second one or is the third one. So first time we didn't get anything. Let's check the chart. That's why we have the spreadsheet. Okay. Let's put this one here. Let's see. Let's not speak without verifying what we are saying. Yeah. You can see here I didn't bought. I put this level, this order after the pump. Okay, so that's clear. I love it. So we put the limit order here. Well, if the market will come back and over again will retest this level, okay, we can reload. We can buy actually. Now we have that level and we have a lower level to get a fill. We should change this one because we bought. We are smart now. I'm smart. I'm not a stupid trader anymore. Actually, I am, but I'm not that. I have a feel. That's the difference. So weekly W, we got the retest. It's testing the lows here. You can see equal lows here. Will this level hold? Well, I doubt it. If Bitcoin will drop a little bit, not too much, we can get a feel here. Just imagine it's 70 cents and our next level is at 50 cents. Not too far away. Now let me show you something. What do you think all the people who watch, not all of them, but 90% of them, they said when I said, well, I'll wait back here. What do you think they said in this area, in the top? Well, Paul is stupid. This one will go straight to the moon. Let's unsubscribe from Paul and watch the Moon Boys. They are right. This time it's different, no? Well, seems like it's different. Yeah, we are in different years, but it's similar at the same time. Okay, let's close the replay. Well, it's looking a bit different now, no? And you can see we are testing. We are below 7.8.6. We are probably 8.6. Let me put the other. Okay, yeah. Well, we are trying to touch 88.6 and we'll probably even get a fill there. What we can do? Well, we bought, sell half on a double in the market at $2 and wait for the next weekly double. Simple as that. Well, it's not hard, it's not complicated. It's hard to wait and be patient. And don't FOMO in and buy above 61.8. Okay, that's one, and we have another one. Oh, we have two of them actually. Arbitrum. Actually, we talked about Arbitrum. We have AR. Let's see this one. Well, there you go. We bought. We sold half on the double. Look at where we sold our coins. That's why I don't want to sell the second time. You'll understand if you don't have enough experience. You'll understand in the next year why I prefer only one shot. You'll get it. And you can tell me after that, well, if it was a good idea or not. Not now. So we bought, we sold half on a double. The market said, fuck you, Paul. Let's push higher. And you can see what happened. Yeah. Now, let's adopt this one. It's a short, so we sold half on a double. Okay. Now we should reload here at $12. Price is 27. You think it's possible to get our reload at $12? I think it is. I don't know for sure, but I'll wait there. So nothing I can do on this one. I have the order there. Let's just wait. I put this order here when the market was at the top. Now looks a bit better than then. Who knows? Even if I'll miss the entry, no big deal. We have a lot of fills. Okay, and we have another one. The last one. Jasmine. Let's see Jasmine. Jasmine was pretty strong. Pretty strong. Well, there you go. So, we bought the weekly W. Really smart guys. But same smart guys sold half on a double a lot low. Just at the double. And you can see what happened. Same idea. A, B equals CD pushed a lot higher. Well, the plan was to sell here. We sold there. The plan says, well, let's wait for the market to retest this big consolidation and reload here. Well, let's respect the plan. Still seems a lot improbable to get that fill, but who knows? Maybe we'll get lucky again. Who knows? We have a support here. You can see it at 61.8. If that one will hold, okay, it's possible. Who knows? I don't know. But I'm willing to risk and wait. We have free coins. That's good. And I'm waiting with the reload here. So nothing we can do here. Just be damn sure that you have order to reload in the market. Well, that was the last one. Yeah, Jasmine. I could see Miku here looking at ocean. You can see Miku is still here. Okay, so that was Jasmine. We still have some coins to review until we'll finish and we'll end. You can see we have 13 coins to review. I think we can do that next time. I'll take all of them. Will be 3 more. Maybe will last a bit longer, but doesn't matter. We can do that, and then we'll restart from the number 1, and we'll keep doing that until we'll finish this plan, until we'll make some real money. Okay, now I said I'll do the giveaway. Well, let me show you how many retweets we have. 6. So it's not crowded. Let's just call it that way. One winner will win 1 premium membership. Yeah, 1 month. Doesn't matter. If it's a permanent member, I don't know. I'll tell him thank you, or I'll try to do something for him. But if not, I'll give him I'll add 1 month if it's already a premium. So 1 winner. I think it's a good habit to do that. Okay. The tweet is from the last week. You can see here. Let's pick a winner. 3, 2, 1. I don't have drums, but doesn't matter. Okay. Sofian 100E. I don't know this guy, but I don't know his Twitter. Maybe he's a community member, a really good one. I don't know that. I don't know all the Twitter handles and accounts. Okay. So, congrats, Sofian. DM me on Discord to give you the prize. You have one month premium membership. If you want to participate in this giveaway, it's damn simple to do that. Okay, just go here on the pinned tweets, and you can see here the tweet from today. It's already pinned. You just go and retweet, repost. That's it. If you want to give a like or something else, it's up to you. I'll just consider the retweets. We have 2 until now. So keep going. You have a real chance there. Not too crowded in the retweets. Well, if it's you, DM me from Twitter to see your handle, and then we can discuss on Discord. Yeah. So also, if it's you, message me on Twitter so I could see your handle, and then we can discuss on Discord. I'll give you access. Okay. So let's go back now and talk about the request from someone asked me, Sebastian. Okay. So you want link BTC. I think you want weekly, no? Well, let's see. 1 week. There you go. Look at this one. Someone, I don't know who, someone made a mess here. You can see. Someone was charting at some point in time this one. Let's see how good it was. Yeah. Someone said long reload zone here. Okay, let's wait for the first W in the long reload zone. Well, that was the first W. This was the retest. Well, you can see. Worked really nice. LJ, similar. Same trade. First W, the other side of the fucking trend line. The same level. Well, wasn't too stupid. Well, you can see we are ranging here. We have a clear range against Bitcoin. If against dollar we are high, against Bitcoin we are low. And you can see we had this house level, and you can see stopped exactly here. Now, what we can do? This is an old old chart. Let's remove. And let's start from the beginning, clean. I suggest you do the same every time you are trying to do something. So, first time, long reload zone. What's our location? So, this is the chart from 2017. I think it's old enough. Okay, so it's definitely a valid level. Okay, if you look, we are fighting at 88.6. It's 88.6 overall, a good level to dollar cost average. Well, please type in the comments and tell me if it's a good or is not so good. Yeah, that's the level we have on against Bitcoin. Okay, let's do something else. Well, maybe the chart is looking like that, but let's see the volume. Well, if you look at the volume profile, we have a problem. The POC, the real POC, the overall POC, it's a lot lower. Kind of 4 times lower. Well, we'll reach that level. Well, if you look at against dollar and you see that we can retest that range, yeah? If you look at that, well, it's possible to see a weak lower, but will not stay there. So if we'll accept below this levels and we'll push to the POC, I'm not saying we'll push exactly to the big POC. We can stop here at 1,500, 1,000. You should spread some limit orders here. Yeah? Kind of a fat finger style, if you know what I mean, Sebastian. Yeah? Old people know about fat finger. Just put some limit orders a lot lower and maybe. Okay, so really nice location for that. I don't see anything special at this point in time. Well, looking here, I see something ugly actually. At the top, let's remove the volume profile. Let's keep it clean. I want to see Bollinger Bands. Well respected Bollinger Bands, as you can see. Bearish divergence here, confirmed on weekly. That's not a good sign. You can see high. Let me show you. High, higher high. Let's do it properly. Okay, this is the high. This is the higher high. Let's put the indicators. And this is a high. This is a lower high. And this motherfucker level, it's the confirmation. Okay, so we have an M, the divergence is confirmed, accepted, retested. Below 50%, not a bullish sign. Not a bullish sign on RSI. Looking at OBV, well, I don't see anything special. I see the same fucking bearish divergence. So it's link ready for performing or outperforming Bitcoin? Not quite. Not yet. Well, what will make me change my mind? Let's say, well, what will make you change your mind? Well, what will make me change my mind? There will be a weekly W against Bitcoin. Here at 88.6, if I'll see a weekly W, breakout retest, okay, I could spend some Bitcoin to buy some link. If I have Bitcoin sitting on the sidelines. If you look left, well, you kind of see 1,000, some Satoshi, a big fat round number here. You can see the previous weekly W retest in this area. Could be a good level to watch out. So I don't see why I should, okay, let's go, let's buy. No, patience. I don't see, we had a weekly W. This was the weekly W. Let's see if this support will hold. If you'll see the next weekly W here, okay, you can buy. Or the best scenario, even against Bitcoin, Sebastian, it's dollar cost averaging. A lot of people say, well, it's for beginners. No, beginners are stupid. It's not for beginners. It's the best way to get the bottom. If you don't want to catch the falling knives. It's the best way to get the bottom, especially if it will be a round bottom, it will be a long one. Or SFUs, you can see, pushing lower and lower and lower, and you'll get stopped out. Well, if you are dollar cost averaging, you are accumulating the lower it goes, well, you'll be happy. So on weekly chart, I could see lower levels. Has support here. Let's wait and see what will happen. On daily, well, let's see daily. On daily for a trade, you have a location. But again, you don't have a trade. Okay, so on daily. Overall, you have the big location, 88.6. Here you had a W, breakout retest, and now you can take this one as a W. No. I think it's not the case. Honestly, I could see here shoulder, head, another shoulder. We can push lower. Let's confirm that one. Well, I don't see that. Not yet. So even on daily, wait for a clear W. If we'll hold, I don't like the wicks. When I see wicks like this, usually means retest. So I don't have a trade on daily. I will not go on 4-hour chart. Is not the point of this live stream, Sebastian. So dollar cost averaging on weekly basis, monthly basis, the best solution for me. If you want to wait for the weekly W and play that one, okay. So that's the request. I don't see anything else. Well, we have a promotion first for the 4th July 20% off all the subscription available on Crypto Traders Arena. Available only from 1st until the 4th July, including 4th July. If you want to participate, if you wish to buy something from our community, Capua 1 for example, or Capua 2 if you have the experience, yeah, all the rules apply. So I will not accept you in Capua 2 if you are not an acceptable trader. But if you want to buy in this period, 4 days, you'll get 20% off. Same for Capua 1. So the program at this point, it's $1,000. You'll get 20% off if you subscribe in the next 4 days. Available for premium, available for VIP. So people who want to get VIP. I think the max you can buy is 2 months. I don't know. I'll ask Stefan. We set some rules, but I don't know exactly. So you have 20% off on everything. I hope that helps. If you want to grow as a community, you like this community, and you want us to grow, bring your friends here. It's that simple. If you have friends, and everyone has friends interested in crypto, well, just show them the direction. Well, join these guys. They are pretty good. Or if you don't like it, don't do it. The problem is, I'm speaking, you are listening, and you'll forget and you'll not invite anyone. That's the biggest problem. I prefer to see the community growing from your friends, because we'll be serious, we'll grow organically, and will be peace and quiet how you like it. To open your Discord and join Crypto Traders Arena and see some levels, see some charts, see some potential trades, and nothing ugly. I prefer to keep it that way. Well, guys, I don't know. If you have any requests, any questions, please type in the chat. We still have, I don't know. We can stay 7 minutes more if it's the case. So I'll wait a couple of seconds for that. Again, congratulations, Elso. Yeah. DM me on Twitter. Yeah, here on Twitter, just DM me. Then we can discuss on Discord. Nothing else. It's almost time. Speaking about against Bitcoin, well, a lot of them are looking nice. I'll show you something looking similar, for example. Yeah. And some people will say, well, you are Romanian, that's why you are showing me e-gold. Well, not because of that, just because there are 31 million in total, and the motherfuckers are still working on it. Not the perfect one, but good level. Look at this one. So that's against dollar, okay? Good level, you can see $28. Could go lower. I'm waiting even at $10 to buy it. If I'll get lucky, who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky. Okay, now let's look at against Bitcoin. Well, what do you see here? You see a good level and some support, some potential support. I don't see weekly Ws, so I'm not eager to buy here, but I'm eager to pay attention here. If I want to start dollar cost averaging with Bitcoin, it's about time. You can see equal lows. Maybe they'll take that low, previous low from 2020, and will do a proper Wyckoff check. Possible. So that's a good level. That's a chart I want to invest. Some people, I'm not discussing if they are smart or not. They told me that e-gold, it's from the past. They don't care about e-gold. They don't want to hear about e-gold. They will buy new coins. Well, I'm not saying that's not a proper thinking, but the new coins they are speaking about, they still have 70 to 80% from the supply to unlock. And they have a lot of supply in total. e-gold has 25 million open in the market and 31 in total ever. And a lot of them at staking. Well, I prefer e-gold in this case. I'll let them buy the new coins. I'll buy the new coins, dollar cost averaging a lot lower, or at my levels. I didn't start with new coins if I see that they have 80% to unlock. Man, I don't really, I'm eager to buy them. We don't have the bottom on them, that's for sure. Okay, guys, I don't see anything else. Yeah, I don't see any other requests, any other comment. It's summer, I get it. Not too many people are interested in trading. People who are here in this community now in the summer, you are the last ones. Don't give up. I don't want to see any more people saying, well, I give up. It's almost at the end. Don't don't do it. It's the best moment to get in, not to get out. If you have friends, maybe some of them you put them to buy a lot higher. Well, now it's time to get them in. It's harder to get them in. They don't have any hype. But now it's time to start dollar cost averaging. Now it's time to start a last chance challenge, something like that. Easy for them. And they'll make money. Don't let them to wait until the top. Because I could promise you that. In the top or close to the top, they will bug you every day. What to buy, what to do, what to buy, what to do. You know that. Okay, let's call it a live stream. And let's close everything until tomorrow morning on the daily crypto plan. That's okay? Okay. I'm not the best at saying goodbye, so I'll just close the live stream. See you guys tomorrow morning with the daily crypto plan. Bye bye.